Hello guys. Honestly, I didn't know why no one show how to sheath and unsheath weapon. I hope it's the right word. Anyway, looks like there's a bug inside the or at least maybe it's not a bug, but Marty told me that he will investigate. Anyway, there's an issue. 1 second, that I close. Let me shoot the traffic. Okay, so looks like there's something wrong in on equip, because when you equip a weapon, looks like that this code runs before the weapon get spawned in the scene, so it can be a little bit mess to manage the weapon and move it from the hand to where you want to place it. So I'm using the StateMachine to manage this thing, but you can make empty object inside your character and do whatever you want. Anyway, how I achieve this thing? First of all, there's a little bug because I can't at the moment set the right position of the weapon when get instantiated in the scene, because I can do it on equip, because the code would run before the weapon is effectively placed in the scene. Anyway, as you can see, the code is run and is placed on the leg of the character, and then with a button I can take it and replace it inside the leg. How I achieve this wonderful thing? First of all, I've made an event trigger which is on global name. Wait a second. First of all, this will work just for the player, because I've used the global variable to store which weapon we are using, and also the weapon which is here. The weapon is set, it's better on enable, but on start looks like fine. So let's keep it as it is. So if the world stop interrupting me, as I said, I set a global variable with the weapon that we store, and inside the weapon, the prefab, we set on start the global variable, which is itself. So in this way we have a reference to our weapon. And now when we inside our object, when we spawn the object, first of all in the StateMachine, but you can use a local variable, which we will set the variable if the weapon is in hand or in the leg. And also I set this event trigger. So because we change the global variable on equip, I change the global variable. No, the global variable is set by the weapon, sorry. And here I set just the variable in the local machine to set the weapon not in the hand, because the animation that I will play will place the weapon directly inside the leg, because you equip the weapon and place it where it should. And so this is the event. This is the event when the variable get changed, which happens just by the first equipment situation. This condition check if the weapon in the hand is true or false, so in this case is false, and then place the weapon in the leg. Just to be sure, I set it again, the variable, if the weapon is in the hand as false. Then I play the gesture. Then I wait the right time to move the weapon, which is stored in the global variable, inside the leg. And also, because it was working but also not, I changed the parent in any case. While I have a trigger, I have a button. When I press E key, I can extract or remove the weapon from the end. So here we have a toggle to switch true or false the variable which is a weapon in the end. So the condition is checking if it's true or false again, and then play the right action. And the result, as you have already seen, is this one. So when you equip the weapon, I didn't have set the UI again, so I do in this way for the moment. So as you can see, it places it in the leg, or take it out, or replace it in the leg again, or take it out, or replace it in the leg, or take it out. If you do it constantly, probably you will mess the things, but for the most of time is working. Okay, I hope it will be useful for anyone. Bye bye.